Hi sir, hope you are doing well. I just took this video to show you the selected models, the molds that you selected, how it will be, and I would like to show the products, the bricks came out from that mold, how it looks, and how you will get a clear picture about the products that you're gonna purchase. So just go through the video. We have a wide range of molds for different designs and sizes. It comes in different textures. So here I will choose the models that you have opted for the code that we have given the code. So first of all, I would like to take the design fuse. So it's there. Yeah. So you can see the texture inside is around like a stapler pin design. So you can see the molds with the stapler pin design, and this design is having 0.037 square meters of size. You can see the how flexible it is. Yeah. So make it side, and you can take diamond design, diamond. There it is. Yeah, this one is having an area of 0.46 square meters, and you can see the texture. It is somewhat a sandy texture. You can see the texture is somewhat sandy. You can see the design how it is. You can take it aside. And the next texture, the mold you chose is Hexa. I think it's over there. Yeah. Hexa. Here you can see it's a very grippy model, and you can see there will be small lines, the cross lines inside the texture. That is very clear and gives more grips to the vehicles or the people moving over it. So this one is having 0.046 square meters, the same as diamond. So we come to the next model. It's dual. So here we have this one. Here also you can see the shape is somewhat irregular with a square model. So it will be having very good patterns we can create with this model. So you can see the texture is same like diamond. It's almost like a sandy texture inside. And this is bit more bigger size because it comes with 0.056 square meters per piece. Okay. So we can move to a model that is somewhat we can match it with. So the model is called match. Okay, this one is a combination with dual. You can see it is dual cavity. Okay, you will get two bricks from one single mold. So you can see there will be one line in between. So it will be two different pieces from one single mold. Still it is flexible, easy to demold. And you will get from one single piece, the size will be 0.017 multiplied by 2. So next model we can go with elegant. Elegant, we have two designs. We choose this one. You have choose this one. This is elegant, and this one you can see it's an curvy texture over the design, and inside you can see one plain texture here, and this one is some sandy texture over here. You can see how it is. So the size will be 0.046 square meters for this model. You can see how it is. I will show you the bricks after this. Okay, next one is fluorite. You chose the model fluorite. Yeah. This one is also again stapler pin design inside. You can see the stapler pin design, and the square meter size will be 0.042 square meters for single brick. And you can show how flexible it is. The specialty of this PVC mold, it's very flexible and it's very easy to demold. Even our molds with PVC, it's very good quality, the premium quality we supply. You can use it for 8 to 10 years of lifespan, and 2 years we gives the warranty for the product. There is one more design you chose, that zigzag, this stripe model. You can see the design. It is of a Santi design inside. There is stripes over the design, and inside you can see a Santi texture with more grip for the brick. Okay, so I will show you how the brick looks for this design. Hello sir, so you can see each model that you have selected and how the brick comes. So here you can see it's a hexagon model. You can see inside the design there's check designs and square patterns inside. You can see same as over the mold, and also in the brick you can see it will get more grip over the surface, and it will be very good for moving vehicles as well as for the people on moving top of this will get more grip. And the next one, this is for diamond design. You can see the texture, it will comes like a sandy texture. So this is the diamond model that you have chose, and this one is the Unipaver design. You can see the texture is clearly printed on the brick. It's very good texture and the grip is very good. And this one is fuse model. So you can see the stapler pin design, which is printed onto the brick from the mold. And this is elegant model. You can see here the middle part, it's a smooth finish, and this is bit rough finish. So same onto the brick like this. And this one is flower design we say. So here the product will comes like this with the stapler pin design on top. And here is the dual model. So you can see the shape is bit regular. So here also it get the sandy texture over the brick, same as the mold. And it's the combination match design. It will be combined with the dual model to get a design, and it can also be laid along with this model. So hope you got a clear picture about the products as well as the molds.